Okay, so what we're looking at is my daughter's 2012 Ford Focus with the DCT transmission, dual clutch transmission. Basically, it's a manual transmission that's computer controlled. It has a computer that operates two separate clutches and changes the gears. The computer, the TCM, is right here on the side of the transmission. It's been acting a little bit flaky lately. All of a sudden it will go into, I guess basically you call it a limp mode, where it flashes up on the display on the gauge cluster saying there's been a transmission failure, service transmission now in big letters. Very scary. And the transmission starts acting crazy. It starts going to neutral like you depress the clutch, changing gears, going to lower gear all by itself, and then it'll get to the point where it skips sets of gears. It'll use like first gear, third gear, and fifth gear. It'll skip second, fourth, and sixth. So anyhow, I read a lot online about guys doing the ground mod, because evidently the ground system in these cars is, I'm not going to say insufficient, but there are some issues that could be addressed. First off, the main ground, which is right here, attaches to the body. The way it grounds, you can see there's nice coating of paint on here so the car doesn't rust, but yet it only allows a ground through the bolt, the head of the bolt, where it contacts the ring of the cable, and requires it to transfer the energy from there through the threads into the threads here. So first thing we're going to do is kind of grind this clean a little bit and reattach that. Excuse me. Secondly, there are two grounds down here. You see I've removed the air box. Two grounds below it. One attaches here and one attaches here. Both of these, I'm going to do the same thing. Just simply grind the paint away so that it can make a really good contact. And once I get all three of these reconnected, I'll spray it with some protector that typically is used on battery posts. It's made to keep from corrosion taking place. So I'll report back in just a few minutes. Okay, so just a little side note, I ran to Lowe's, picked up this cheap little surface prep set. I'm gonna use it in my trusty old DeWalt drill to do the cleaning of these spots. I think it was like 15 bucks, nothing special. Okay, so you can see I didn't go hog wild. I just cleared off enough of the paint from the surface area to make sure I had good, nice contact between the cable and the grounding location. I also hit the back of these wire loops also. There again, make sure I had good contact. And when I get this last one hooked up, I'm gonna hit it with some battery corrosion spray. This is just some stuff sprays on red. It'll keep it from corroding. I think it'll keep it from rusting too. All right, next step. And there we are, all done. It's just that easy. Got a little bit of that red spray coating on there. Keep that stuff from corroding, keep it from rusting. And we'll go for a test drive after a while and see if this got took care of. Chances are I'll probably end up having to put on the TCM that I've got ordered and on the way anyhow. The dealership, I think they want $900 for them. Local parts houses want around $400. I bought mine on eBay. It may be junk, I don't know, but at $100 on eBay versus the other options, yeah, I'm willing to take a chance. So thanks for watching, guys.